Today, we're making Sunday sauce. Now, I'm not from the East Coast, so I never got to say that growing up, because we're not Italian. But today we're making Sunday sauce. Oh, and this is homemade pasta we made yesterday with the new KitchenAid attachment. Awesome. And we're gonna have fresh sourdough bread. Let's hit it. Okay, we've got meatball stuff, ground beef, Italian sausage for the meatballs, and some mild Italian and spicy calabrese sausage to go in the sauce and simmer for 4 hours. Oh, and some pork neck bones, which I think are just for flavoring because they don't look appetizing. And look at this beaut. That has been in the refrigerator overnight. By the looks of that, this could be the best loaf I've ever made. Look at that thing. All right, all of the ingredients are in. Simmer for 3 to 4 hours. Can't wait. Let's go take care of that bread. Oh, come on, don't stick in there. Come on, work with me. All right. I think we got it. All right, I think it's gonna be okay. We've been blessed with a little charcuterie tray while we wait for the Sunday sauce. Now this brie is as creamy as a milkshake and stinky as my feet. And it's awesome. And if you like black licorice, finocchiona sausage, no, finocchiona salami, the best. Oh, and never sleep on Marcona almonds. The best addition to a charcuterie tray. It's right behind me. We're an hour and a half in. I'm gonna take a sneak taste. Oh, look at all that. Oh, all the taste is being rendered out. Oh. It's gonna be a good day. Mm-hmm. Yep. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Out. We've had to retire to the side yard because we're in the throes of a carb overload. Do I have a double chin? I feel like I have a double chin and a triple belly. Thankfully, I got some wine. Cheers. Good night.